Welcome to our guide on seamlessly integrating WhatsApp Web with HubSpot using Eazybe. Let's simplify the process for you. To start, ensure you're logged into your WhatsApp Web account and have Eazybe installed. Once ready, locate the integration icon in the top right corner of your screen. Click on it and select Integrate with HubSpot. You'll be redirected to our workspace, where you'll need to authenticate your HubSpot account. Once authenticated, you can close the window and return to WhatsApp Web. Now, when you open a contact, you'll notice a HubSpot icon. This allows you to seamlessly create new contacts or deals directly without leaving WhatsApp Web. If the contact doesn't exist yet, no worries. You can create it on the spot and customize the details as needed, plus easily add tasks, notes, deals, and ticket for each contact, all within WhatsApp Web. Your WhatsApp chats are automatically backed up in HubSpot, ensuring you never lose important conversations. These backups occur at regular intervals, so you're always up to date. And if you need to link an existing contact in HubSpot, it's a simple process, just search and link with Eazybe. Integrating WhatsApp with HubSpot has never been easier. Get ready to boost your productivity and streamline your communication processes seamlessly. Let's integrate and elevate your workflow together.